A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Welcome back, my dear students. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to study about triangle, square and rectangle in your mathematics class. And this is your own channel, Islamabad College for Boys G63. And I'm your teacher, Lubna Batul. And I'm going to assist you in this topic. And today you can see here the three types of shapes that you are going to study, that is triangle, rectangle and square. Let's see what are the definitions of these geometrical shapes and how can we differentiate them from each other. If we see the first one is triangle. Tri means three. So you can see here there is a geometrical shape having three sides. आपको एक geometrical shape नज़र आ रही है which has three sides. First one is AC, other one is AB, and then third side is BC. Moreover, you can see here these sides are formed or composed of line segment. That was your previous lesson. You learned about line segment. That line segments is that geometrical figure which has two endpoints. It means here in this case each line segment joined with another line segment and the endpoints formed a corner in at the point where they join with each other. In this case you can see here this is A and point A, where the two line segments are joined with each other, and where they join with each other they form a vertex. Vertex means corner. And you can see here the BC and AC line segments, these are sides, these are joined here. And in case of, you can see the point B where the line AB or line segment AB and the line segments BC join with each other. So the triangle has three vertices. It has three vertices. Vertices is the plural of vertex. Vertex is the singular and vertices is used for plural. तो आप देख रहे हो कि यहाँ पे तीन vertices हैं. एक आपका vertex है vertex A, the second one is vertex C, and the third one is vertex B. So we can define it as a triangle is a geometrical figure which is composed of three line segments having three sides and three vertices, and inside each vertex there is an angle. So inside the triangle there are three angles, an angle A, angle B and angle C. And the next thing that we are going to see is its symbol. And what is its symbol? Its symbol is just a small triangle. आप एक छोटी सी triangle draw करते हो, उसको हम use करते हैं as a symbol. We can write this triangle, that is triangle ABC, as triangle ABC, where we use the symbol triangle and we read it as triangle, and we called it as triangle ABC. So this is a geometrical shape which is composed of three line segments having three sides and three vertices and three angles inside. And the symbol we used is a small triangle here, and whatever the name of the triangle is, we use that symbol just before that name. For example, अगर आपने इसको name दिया LMO, और आप फिर यूज़ करेंगे triangle LMO. The symbol of triangle you are going to write it first, and then you are going to name or write the name of a triangle like LMO or XYZ, and here in this case it is ABC. So triangle is tri means three. So triangle is that geometrical shape which is formed of three sides, which has three sides, three vertices and three angles inside. Let's see the next one. The next one is square. Square is actually a quadrilateral. Square is actually a quadrilateral. And what is quadrilateral? Quad means four. Quad means four, and lateral means sides. So it means that the square is a quadrilateral means having four sides. Having four sides. And if you see here, what is its basic or important feature, that its all sides are equal in measurement. It means if the first side is 3 centimeter, is of 3 centimeter, then the next one is also of 3 centimeter, and all the sides should be of 3 centimeter. It means कि ये इसका इम्पॉर्टेंट फीचर है स्क्वायर का. स्क्वायर एक तो क्वाड्रिलेटरल है, 4 साइड्स से मिलके बना है. इफ़ यू सी हेयर the side, one is called AC, other one is CD, other one is DB, other one is BA. So 4 sides are there in case of square, and square is actually having all sides of equal measurement. अगर मैंने यहाँ पे 5 सेंटीमीटर बनाया तो यहाँ पे भी मैं 5 सेंटीमीटर ही ड्रॉ करूँगी. And the next feature is, or next characteristic of square is, opposite sides are always parallel. Parallel means parallel are those lines which always have equal distance between them. इनके दरमियान का जो distance होता है वो हमेशा, जो फासला है वो हमेशा बराबर रहता है. And they never ever intersect each other. और कहीं पे भी ये एक दूसरे के साथ इंटरसेक्ट नहीं करते, एक दूसरे के साथ मिलते नहीं हैं, मीट नहीं करते, एक दूसरे को काटते नहीं हैं. मीन्स एक दूसरे के साथ जाके नहीं मिलेगी. ठीक है. They have a equal distance between them, and they always that distance remains same in each case. तो इधर आप देखें अगर, तो आपकी AC जो है वो तो CD के साथ मीट कर रही है. तो कौन सी लाइंस हैं जो कि मीट नहीं कर रही? तो आप देख रहे हैं कि CD जो है वो AB से मीट नहीं कर रही, एंड DB जो है वो CA से मीट नहीं कर रही और इंटरसेक्ट नहीं कर रही. और जो इनके दरमियान का डिस्टेंस आप देख रहे हो CA और DB के दरमियान, और सिमिलरली AB और CD के दरमियान, आप जो अपोजिट साइड है ना, CD इज़ अपोजिट टू AB, एंड इसी सिमिलरली AC इज़ अपोजिट टू BD. तो आप ये देख रहे हो कि distance between CD and AB, it is same or equal in each case. अगर मैं यहाँ से भी देखूँ और यहाँ से भी देखूँ, in each case वो जो है वो सेम है, इक्वल है. और इसी तरह आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो कम ज़्यादा नहीं है. ये नहीं है कि यहाँ से इस पॉइंट पे तो इतना है और इस पॉइंट पे जाके वो इतना हो गया, ऐसा नहीं है. बिल्कुल देखिए स्ट्रेट लाइन है और डिस्टेंस इनके दरमियान में बराबर है. What are equal parallel sides? If we see here, अब ये देखिए the two sides which I made here, they are parallel. Why? See the distance between them. Here in this point, and in the next point, it is same. So it always remain same. So such sort of lines which are called parallel lines, they have distance between them which is always equal. इसका मतलब ये है कि the distance between them remains same. कहीं पे भी जाएं, किसी भी पॉइंट पे जाएं, at any point the distance will remain same. तो उनका जो distance है दरमियान में वो same रहेगा. These are called parallel lines. So in this case, in the square, CD is parallel to AB, and just like triangle, the square is also composed of line segments. यहाँ पे भी line segments ही से बना हुआ है, क्योंकि आप देख रहे हो कहीं पे भी arrow आपको नज़र नहीं आ रहे. It shows that they are composed of, or they are formed of line segments. And line segment here, when one line segment may meet with another line segment, it form a vertex or a corner. एक वर्टेक्स या कॉर्नर बना रही है, जिसकी वजह से इसमें आप देखें इन केस ऑफ स्क्वायर इट हैज़ 4 वर्टिसेस, लाइक वर्टेक्स A, वर्टेक्स C, वर्टेक्स D and वर्टेक्स B. So a square has 4 vertices and similarly 4 angle inside. जहाँ जहाँ कॉर्नर बन रहे हैं वहीं वहीं अंदर एंगल भी फॉर्मेशन हो रही है. एंगल इंशाल्लाह यू विल स्टडी एंगल in grade 4. So square is a quadrilateral having four equal sides and four vertices, and opposite sides are parallel to each other. Let's see the next figure. Our next geometrical shape is rectangle. If we see the rectangle here, rectangle is also a quadrilateral. It is because you can see that it is also composed of four line segments. यहाँ पे भी चार लाइन, quad means four, lateral means sides. तो आपको यहाँ पे भी देखने चार sides हैं, 1 2 3 4. So it has four sides. So we use the terminology quadrilateral. Rectangle is a quadrilateral. And what is the difference between the square and rectangle? In case of rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. अगर आप याद करो, if you recall, in square all sides are equal. चारों की चारों बराबर होती हैं. But here in the rectangle, opposite sides are equal and they are also parallel to each other. How? देखें कि ये जो opposite side अगर हम इसको लेबल कर दें, for example you can see that CD is opposite to AB and similarly BD is opposite to AC. ये एक दूसरे के opposite हैं, ठीक है ना. और these are parallel to each other. आप देख रहे हो the distance between them is equal, ठीक है. It remains equal. तो इनका जो फासला है वो बराबर है. तो इस वजह से हम कहेंगे कि दे आर पैरेलल, दे डू नॉट इंटरसेक्ट ईच अदर. जो CD है वो AB को इंटरसेक्ट नहीं करेगी. सिमिलरली BD जो है वो AC को इंटरसेक्ट नहीं करेगी. एंड एज just like a square, it also has four vertices and four angles. अब vertices आप इसके देखें, vertex D, vertex B, vertex A and vertex C, which are found when two line segments meet with each other. जब दो लाइन सेगमेंट मिलती हैं तो उनके जो एंड पॉइंट्स होते हैं वो ज्वाइन करके एक कॉर्नर फॉर्म कर देते हैं. ये यू सी line segment AB is equal to, if you could recall the unit 1 where you learn this symbol that is used for equals to, और ये बराबर के लिए होता है, मतलब दोनों के दरमियान जो, अब क्योंकि फासला बराबर है तो इसकी मेजरमेंट भी बराबर होगी, ठीक है. तो AB, because opposite sides are equal in measurement. In this case, opposite sides are equal in measurement. If CD is 5 cm, then AB is 5 cm. If AC is 4 cm, then BD is also 4 cm. So we said that opposite sides are equal. So in this case, AB is equal to CD and AC, this one, AC is equal to BD. So rectangle is a quadrilateral, means composed of four line segments, and here opposite sides are equal in measurement and they are also parallel, means the distance between them always remain same. And the next thing that I'm going to assign you is you are going to draw and define these definitions in your copies. आपने ये जो definitions हैं इनको अपनी copies में ड्रॉ भी करना है, डिफ़ाइन भी करना है, यानी लिखना भी है और बनाना भी है. और जिस तरह मैंने लेबल किया है आप उनके वर्टिसेस को लेबल भी करेंगे. द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज़ दैट ड्रॉ हट बाय यूजिंग दीज शेप्स लाइक दिस वन. यू सी हियर कि आप देखें कि इसका जो आपको हट का रूफ नज़र आ रहा है दैट इज़ अ ट्रायंगुलर शेप, ठीक है. सिमिलरली आप इसकी वॉल्स देखें जो हैं वो रेक्टेंगुलर शेप है. डोर इज़ आल्सो रेक्टेंगुलर शेप and windows are of square shape. And you can see the difference between the rectangle and the square. In case of rectangle आप देख रहे हो कि लेंथ जो है वो ज़्यादा है, ब्रेथ जो है वो कम है. बट इन केस ऑफ आप स्क्वायर देख रहे हैं कि जो लेंथ है या जो ब्रेथ है वो दोनों की दोनों, या विड्थ जिसे हम कहते हैं, वो दोनों बराबर हैं, यानी जितनी लेंथ है उतनी ही विड्थ है. It means all sides are equal in case of square while opposite sides are equal in case of rectangle. Two lengths are equal and two width are equal, no, two breadth are equal. In case of triangle you can see the that it is composed of three line segments and having three vertices where the line segments join, and the line segment which they form the sides of the triangle, and similarly these line segments form the sides of rectangle as well as of square. So this is all about these three close figure, and all of these are close figure, and because it hasn't any ओपन एंड, कहीं से भी ये ओपन नहीं है. सो दे आर एक्चुअली plain closed figure. These are types of plain closed figure. Triangle, square and rectangle are types of plain closed figure. Hope so beta you understand these definition very well, and do these definition in your copies, and inshallah in the next lecture you will study about their perimeters. The perimeter क्या होता है and how can we find out the perimeter of these shapes. So till next lecture from my side beta, Allah Hafiz.